The yoga sector has changed drastically. A few years ago, teaching online felt like a temporary solution. But here we are in 2025 and yoga teachers are making full-time careers both online and offline. So which one is the best for you? Should you just teach offline or shifting online will be the smartest move for you? चलिए आज की वीडियो में यही डिकोड करते हैं और यही जानते हैं. तो चलिए आइए शुरू करते हैं. Offline yoga teaching. So, teaching offline has always been a gold standard. आप जब एक ही क्लास में एक ही जगह पे बैठ के when you are teaching, the energies you pass on to your students and their energies also, this is a very phenomenal thing that happens and it is unmatchable. So this energy is very powerful. Now, what works in 2025? Offline yoga teaching. Teaching in person can't be beat with any other thing. The energy of this very system of class is powerful. If you want or if you love actually doing the studio classes, offline classes are for you. If you love by showing them hands-on adjustment, offline classes are for you. Also, if you want to teach therapeutic classes, which are mostly one-on-one sessions, one-on-one in-person sessions in yoga setup, yoga class setup, so offline classes are for you. Now, what are the challenges you will face in offline setup? First, you are limited by location. Second, you need to rent a space or work at a studio. Third, income depends on attendance. If students don't show up, you don't get paid. But you have to pay the studio bills if you own it. Now, online yoga teaching. Have you ever thought that हम घर बैठे दुनिया तक पहुंच सकते हैं? किसी ने भी नहीं सोचा था unless it was 2019. Now the whole world has shifted online. If you enjoy online yoga classes, definitely go and start your teaching practice there. If you just want to reach a larger mass or larger audience, online class option is the best for you. If you want to do brand collaborations, obviously it should be online. And if you want to do corporate sessions or any other sessions, if you want to take NRI people's sessions sitting at your home, you definitely will go for the online classes option only. Now, what are the challenges you can face? First, it takes time to build an audience who trusts. Second, you need strong communication skills because here no hands-on adjustments are available. Now, what is the smartest move that you can do in 2025? Here is the hook actually. So you can go hybrid teaching. मतलब दोनों ही कीजिए. What I suggest is do both of them. If you are, suppose I am living in Silchar, I will go to my studio, I will take my studio classes and on my rest of the time, I will take the online classes or TTC classes. You can offer private in-person classes जिसका आप बहुत चार्ज कर सकते हैं and you can also sell your online yoga courses also. दोनों चीजें साथ में कर सकते हैं. Third, you can conduct yoga workshops and retreats offline and promote them through your social media platforms which is online. So दोनों चीजों का जो है आप यूज कीजिए and you will see a tremendous growth in your journey as a yoga teacher. So in 2025, there is no right way of teaching yoga. It's only the thing that works best for you. If you want to build a local audience, go offline. If you want to build a global audience, build online. If you want to do both of them, if you want both of the things, go hybrid. So ये सीधा फंडा है. Now choose what works best for you. If you want guidance from us, from our team, as a yoga teacher, you can join our online yoga workshops. You can join our online yoga TTCs also. We are affiliated under the Indian Yoga Association. To register for any of the services, you can call our team on this very number and register yourself. I hope this video helped. Thank you.